Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making peanut butter cookies, so please stay tuned. The first thing that you want to do is turn on your oven at 375 Fahrenheit. And of course, the first thing that it requires is peanut butter. So I have a cup of peanut butter here. Half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and now mix this together. While this is stirring up here, I have about 3 tablespoons of room temperature milk. And now 1 egg. And for it to be nice and chewy and, oh my goodness, super soft, I have half a cup of butter, and this is at room temperature as well. And in here I have 1 1/4 cup of flour, and this is just a regular all-purpose flour. And stir this. And with that, I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and last but not least, I have 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Here we go, and stir it all together. So I'm putting parchment paper now on my baking sheets, just so that it doesn't stick to the baking pan. There we go. And for this part, don't forget to wash your hands, because we're making the little balls just for with the cookie doughs and making them round like so. And flatten it a little bit, and then setting that on the sheet here. And you don't want it too big, just because these cookies actually, they inflate when they're in the oven there. So it depends how big or how small that you want it, but I'm just letting you know that they will inflate quite a bit. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and these ones already did the traditional like cross on here, and these ones, they're not. So one thing that I want to show you is that if you take either a skewer stick or a chopstick, you can definitely do these, or if they're tiny enough, you can get it done with a toothpick. But let me show you how I do this one. So if you can see here, 3 across and 3 the other way. And there you go. This is it. And they look beautiful. I'm gonna stick this in the oven, and like I said, the oven is at 375 Fahrenheit, and these go in for about 10 minutes. So let's do that. 10 minutes later, and this is what we get. And now what you want to do with this is let it cool down for at least 30 to 45 minutes, and then you'll notice that you're able to eat it. It's so chewy and so soft to eat. So this is my version of the peanut butter cookies, and I do highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button, the like, and comment down below, do you like these or not? Well, thank you for watching.